हेलो स्टूडेंट्स एंड वेलकम। हमारा आज का नया चैप्टर है दैट इज द प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन. सो ऑल दीज आर द टॉपिक्स which we are going to study in this chapter, plasma membrane. So first we will start with the introduction of plasma membrane. So plasma membrane जो है, as you can see, this is the cell, and here, as this is the cell, then here the boundary, the border, this is called as plasma membrane. This is called as plasma membrane. इसी को ही हम सेल मेम्ब्रेन भी बोलते हैं, इसी को ही हम प्लाज्मा लेमा भी बोलते हैं. Okay, so here in detail we are going to study about the introduction of plasma membrane. So the plasma membrane, it is thin, elastic, selectively permeable. मतलब सारी चीजें सेल के अंदर एंटर नहीं कर सकती. ओनली सिलेक्टेड मॉलिक्यूल्स कैन एंटर इनसाइड द सेल, and here it is present in the living membrane. So this is how it defines the boundaries of the cell, and it is also separating the cytoplasm from the surrounding. ये बाहर का सराउंडिंग होगा और ये साइटोप्लाज्म है, तो ये मेम्ब्रेन ही है जो कि इन दोनों को सेपरेट कर रही है. Further, if we see plasma membrane, as we know, there are multiple names. You can call it plasma membrane also, cytoplasmic membrane also, cell membrane, plasma lemma, anything. And this membrane, it is not visible under the microscope, under the light microscope. And plasma membrane, it is found in the both prokaryotic cell also and the eukaryotic cell also, both. कोई कोई ऐसे भी प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन होते हैं, जैसे कि if we take an example of an egg, here innermost is going to be the plasma membrane, और उसके बाहर जो है एक और लेयर होगी, that is called as vitelline membrane, और vitelline membrane के बाहर एक और लेयर होगी, that is called as jelly like corona radiata. तो इस तरीके से कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि that plasma membrane it is present, लेकिन plasma membrane के बाहर भी कुछ और other layers भी present हैं, others covering is also present. Here, as we know that plasma membrane, it is having a selectively permeability nature. So, कुछ substances हैं which can pass through this plasma membrane very easily. Okay, so here you can see how the transportation of the molecules, they are taking place inside the cell through the plasma membrane only. Here, there are cells which are in contact with the other cells. So cell to cell contact भी होगा, तो वो भी plasma membrane की वजह से ही होगा. This is the plasma membrane of one cell and this is the plasma membrane of another cell. So you can see how the cells are in contact with each other. ये cell जो है, by the help of these gap junctions, it is connected to the another cell. Addition भी नजर आएगा cell cell के बीच में, communication भी नजर आएगा cell cell के बीच में. ये किसकी वजह से? It's all because of the plasma membrane. Here you can see the main function of the plasma membrane is that is the transportation. So this is the plasma membrane. इस तरीके से जो है molecules, they are getting from outside to inside or from inside to outside. So here this is how the transportation takes place. So here also in this you can see how the transportation of molecules, they are taking place. Various substances transportation can take place. तो plasma membrane का function है कि वो maintain करता है the physical integrity of the cell and also helps in the transportation of various substances by a kind of a definite mechanism. So कुछ models हैं which has been given by the scientist to explain exactly how the structure of plasma membrane is. तो here we will study about the scientist Charles Ernest Overton, जो एक German scientist हैं. 1819 में उन्होंने बताया था कि जो plasma membrane है उसमें आपको कुछ lipids cholesterol नजर आएंगे. Here you can see there is presence of the cholesterol in between the plasma membrane. Okay, so which is forming a coat of the cell surface, क्योंकि plasma membrane तो cell के surface पे ही present है. Here the next scientist is that is Irving Langmuir. He also suggested that the presence of lipid in the plasma membrane. You can see this is the lipid which is present in the plasma membrane. The lipid, it consists of the head, the circular head, and the lipid, it consists of the tail. It consists of the tail. So you can see this is the one layer of lipid, this is the another layer of lipid. So in plasma membrane you can see the lipid are present. So it was suggested by the Irving Langmuir. Here the next scientist came. There are two Dutch physiologists. Erwert, Gorter, and Grande. He posted some experiments and said about the erythrocyte, said about the RBCs कि जो RBCs है उसमें भी plasma membrane present है और here it consists of two layers of lipid. You can see this is one layer of lipid and this is the another layer of lipid. Lipid consists of the head and the tail. So you can see there are two layers of lipid present in the RBCs. Next, after these scientists, the postulation of presence of lipid bilayer, lipid की दो layer present है plasma membrane में. So here the postulate was given by the Davison and Daniel and suggested that there are proteins also present in this membrane. So you can see this is lipid one layer, this is lipid another layer. उसके बीच में देखिए ये अलग रंग का है. This is a protein. This is the proteins are also present in the lipids. So this is how they propose that a thin sheet of protein is also covering the lipid bilayer on both the side. So lipid जो है layer है उसमें आपको proteins नजर आएंगे. ये देखिए this is the protein, this is the protein, this is the protein. Okay, so protein it is also covering the lipid bilayer on both the side. So इसीलिए जो है जो मॉडल है it is said protein lipid model. So पहले protein होगा फिर lipid होगा और फिर protein होगा. इस तरीके से सैंडविच जैसा दिखता है. जैसे कि हमको पता है जैसे कि हम ब्रेड ले लेते हैं, एक ऊपर की सैंडविच की लेयर होगी, ब्रेड की लेयर होगी, फिर चटनी होगी और फिर से ब्रेड की लेयर होगी. ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाई इट लुक्स लाइक सैंडविच. तो प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन को भी हम सैंडविच मॉडल ही बोलते हैं. ऊपर प्रोटीन होगा, फिर लिपिड होगा और फिर प्रोटीन प्रेजेंट होगा. दिस इज हाउ द डिटेल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ मेम्ब्रेन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज डन. लेट इन 1935 रॉबर्टसन साइंटिस्ट है जिन्होंने प्रपोज किया द यूनिट मेम्ब्रेन कंसेप्ट ऑफ प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन. According to this model, all the membrane share a common fundamental structure indicating cellular universality. मतलब कि सारे के सारे जितने भी ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैं उनके पास जो प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन है काफी हद तक सेम ही नजर आते हैं. तो इसीलिए इसके पहले काफी कुछ मॉडल्स हैं जिनको जो साइंटिस्ट ने दिए थे जिनको रिजेक्ट भी कर दिया गया. लेकिन और भी स्टडीज होती गई अबाउट द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन. लेकिन जो सबसे बेस्ट मॉडल है जो कि वाइडली एक्सेप्टेड मॉडल है प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन का कि हाउ एग्जैक्टली द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन लुक लाइक इट वाज गिवन बाय द जोनाथन सिंगर एंड गर्थ निकोलसन. दैट इज व्हाई हम बोलते हैं दैट इज सिंगर एंड निकोलसन मॉडल वाज गिवन of the plasma membrane और वो मॉडल का नाम था that is fluid mosaic model. So according to this model a membrane consists of mosaic of proteins and fluid lipid bilayer. So this is how the introduction of the plasma membrane was, and here the video ends and thank you very much.